Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to add mother language to your keyboard on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So simply open settings, scroll down, click on to general management, scroll down, then I'm get Samsung keyboard settings. Just tap on to language and type. So I'm press on manage input language and you just select your mother language. Just press on to download. I can download this. Okay, now add in here. Just tap on okay. Now successfully set up, and I'm usually use this. Open my keyboard. Okay, and just tap on this icon, then change language. So that's it.